In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background video to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to enhance the aesthetic and engagement of your site, giving visitors a dynamic and visually appealing experience. So, grab your login details and let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up Squarespace and make sure you're logged into your account. It's crucial to have your credentials ready and ensure you're accessing the correct account, as this will save you time and prevent any unnecessary navigation mishaps. Once you're comfortably in your homepage, take a glance over to the left bottom corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking on your profile, you'll be given a list of websites associated with your account. This is where you can select the specific website you want to work on. It's important to ensure you're choosing the right site to edit, especially if you have multiple websites under one account. Once selected, you'll want to click on the Edit button. This step allows you to toggle into editing mode, where you can make the necessary changes to your site. Now that you're in the editing mode, the next step is to click on the Edit section option. This moves you closer to where the magic happens. When you enter this section, you'll notice a new set of options appear. Look specifically for the option labeled Background. This is going to be your key area for adding a video as the background. When you click on Background, you'll see the option for Video. Selecting this will give you the opportunity to input your desired background video. To proceed, click the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding fresh content. From this point, you have a few options. You can directly upload a video file from your device, select a video from your existing library, or use a link to add a video from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. For our example, we'll be adding a video using a link. It's a simple and efficient way to incorporate external videos directly onto your site. Once you've added your video link, you'll see the changes reflected on your background immediately, giving you a preview of how it'll look to your visitors. Make sure the video looks just how you envisioned it, making any necessary adjustments if needed. And there you have it. Once you're satisfied with how it appears, don't forget to click Save. This ensures all your hard work and adjustments are safely applied to your site. Congratulations, you've just successfully enhanced your Squarespace website by adding a background video. Not only will this give your site a modern and professional feel, but it will also captivate visitors and keep them engaged. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in elevating your website to the next level.